What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Guitar Junk. Today I'm going to teach you how to play the solo to Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana. Let's get into it. Okay, so this song is in standard tuning, just like many of Nirvana's songs. So that is E, A, D, G, B, E. And then we are going to go down to the... So it's kind of, it's like a slide. It's like a... Okay, so you're going to slide down just from anywhere, like the second fret down, and it's with your ring finger right here. You're gonna take that and you're gonna go right there on the 10th fret. So 10th fret of the D string. You're gonna go. That is 10 of the D, 8 of the G, and then 10 of the G, okay? So that's... And then you're gonna slide up here back to the D string with your index finger, and you're gonna play the 6th fret of the D string. So all together it's... See? Now this solo, it kind of follows Kurt's vocal melody, so it's like, okay? So after you do that part, though, you're going to take right here, you're going to go right here, on the 6th fret of the G string, you're going to go 6, 5 on the G with your middle and ring finger, so it's all together, it sounds like. Then you're going to do it again, so it's... Then you're going to go up, you're going to slide up to the 3rd fret. So slide up to the 3rd fret of the G string, and you're going to go. Now that is 3, 1, 3, and then you're going to bend upwards just a little bit, so it's kind of like that. You're going to bend up and then let down, okay? And you're going to go back to 1 and then open. So just not pressing anything, just open. So all together, we've got... See? As always, I will leave a link to the tabs in the description below. And that's it. That's the solo. So have a great day.